We're finally seeing some mountains.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
Long day of driving, 200 kilometers gravel road, barely seeing a single person.
I am speechless. Mountain, like, so blue.
When you finally reach to the breathtaking bluff, sitting on a long bench by yourself, what do you feel? What's on your mind? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I don't know about you, but I am so ready to set up camp here. It's so cool. You're surrounded by a ball of sand in weird shapes.
This canyon is so beautiful. Wow. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, I can't really look at it, otherwise I'm driving down a road. Most of this FSR is just wide open gravel road. Quite a bit of corrugation, but with my suspension set to level 1, the softest, and I air down to around 19, 18, somewhere around 20, because the quick deflator, it doesn't go that precise, and it's really smooth.
In case you missed it, I recently acquired a new drone landing pad that doubles as a solar panel on my bonnet. No, seriously, it's a 100-watt vehicle-specific solar panel from Cascadia 4x4. The road after the canyon desert is mostly like this, wide and flat. Other than some tiny water ponds, there's not much around for a very long stretch. Many of you ask how I film myself driving while using a drone. To be honest, it's not that exciting. Most often, I just let it hover like a tripod camera on air, adding a zoom out or zoom in to mimic camera movement. But when it's wide open like this, with basically nothing to crash into, I press the active track button and let the tiny UFO does its work. Turns out, it doesn't follow the subject properly, as I had expected, but I end up getting some wicked movement as the drone struggle to keep up with the subject. You see all this? I didn't touch a single key on the control. There's some cool calculation behind the active track I couldn't quite understand, but definitely no complaint.
That was the way originally I wanted to come in from. Yeah, right here, this big intersection. Yeah. That way, that leads you to quite a beautiful place too. But because of fire, that area all the way down to Lillooet, it's all burnt out. so I don't know if the road is still open. Pretty sad. All trails connected. We'll find our way out. Big lake right here. I'm driving right beside it. Woof. Pretty. Seems like it's a wreck site. There's a lot of RVs here. And a boat launch. Conservation project. Wow, water is really clear. Cool thing about overcast days is all the lake surface looks like mirror. You can see the clouds from up and down. Okay, here, see this. On this side of the road, we have clear sky, super sunny, and then when you turn around on that side, you see the dark cloud. It's raining over there. How amazing the weather changes as you are in the middle. Cloudy, rainy, sunny. Kettles, drinking water. Oh my god, look at the horn on that one. Hey, I have a life straw if you need it. Screw a life straw, who needs life straws? Just go to the lake and drink it. Ah, human, so fragile. Yo, got some organic milk happening. Quite a long way of flat open road. We're finally seeing some mountains. Yay! Mountains! Driving right towards the mountain. Still snow-capped. So pretty. And there's us. Wow. Look at that. It's the same murky color water as I saw in one of my previous trips. The glacier water running down. This will be a nice spot to camp. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a photo somewhere. Hey. That blonde one looks really nice. I like that one. And look at that mountain top. It's red. You can see the lake from far away.
The spot I originally wanted to camp at had a locked gate in front of it. I had to keep driving in search of alternative. Today was a lot of driving. Over 250k on the gravel. It was tiring, but worth it.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god.
The view in Caribou, it's just mesmerizing. I saw 2 black bears and a group of deers along the way. Countless cattle from the nearby open range farms.
Bit of ruts on the road. We're just driving on this other side of the road. There is no campsite in this area. It is a provincial park, so you have to camp at designated area. You can't just pull up right beside, but I just want to take a look and look at the view. Oh man, I am speechless with this view. Look at that mountain.
Up on the bluff, I could feel my heart wandering to a corner I have forgotten along the way. The fact that this long bench was made for two. The fact that I am here alone. The clear blue water beneath the Tassico mountain range, suspiciously similar to the infamous Lake Louis. I tried my best to describe it in words so I can send a satellite message on Zolio to loved ones, hoping they could use some imagination to share this moment with me.
You know what would be nice? Is if I had someone to sit there with me. So I'm not the only one getting blown away in the wind. I mean, blown away by the scenery. Okay, let's get to camp. So this is a provincial park campground using a self-payment system where you find your camp spot, remember your spot number, your vehicle license plate, and pay your fees in there. Wow. Look at that. The water's so blue. It's got waves, but it's a lake. Site 4, my lucky number, and you write that down on here, your campsite number and a bunch of other information, and put money in, seal the envelope, dump it in the box. I usually don't take cash anymore, but for campsites like this, you do need cash. Why? This is what our Canadian money used to look like, and now, can you tell me why? We are straight now. Why? Anyways, it's $18 per night. Keep some coins too, otherwise you gotta pay 20 if you only have paper bills. Alright, let's head out for the night. What a drive.
This was my first time using the envelope payment because I don't really camp in paid campsites. But in the provincial park, you have to stay in designated area. Consider we are in bear country, I feel safer to be with other campers in short distance, just in case grizzlies decide to visit. I do have fear, but I try to minimize exposure so I don't run myself into a situation where it's truly dangerous. Clean up your food scrap after dinner, have a good rest. It's been a long drive, and more to go tomorrow.
But we'll take a peek.
They're so huge! Oh my god!